Are you tired of manually categorizing your transactions in QuickBooks Online? What if I told you there's a smarter way to save hours every month? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online, the ultimate 2025 guide to making your bookkeeping faster, easier, and more accurate. Let's get started. Bank rules are an amazing feature in QuickBooks Online that automatically categorize your bank transactions based on the conditions you set. This means less manual work, fewer errors, and faster reconciliation. Here's how to create them step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, go to the Banking or Transactions section, then select Rules. This is where all your bank rules will be managed. Next, click on New Rule. Give your rule a name, something clear like office supplies or monthly subscription. Now choose whether this rule will apply to money coming in, income, or money going out, expenses. The real magic happens in the Conditions section. Here, you decide what triggers the rule. For example, you might want it to apply when the bank text contains Amazon or when the amount is within a certain range. You can set one condition or add multiple for more precision. Once you've set your conditions, choose how QuickBooks should categorize the transaction. Select the appropriate category, payee, and tax code if needed. You also have the option to automatically add this transaction to your books, but only enable this if you're 100% confident in the rule. Finally, click Save. Your bank rule is now active. From now on, QuickBooks will automatically apply it whenever a matching transaction appears in your bank feed. This not only speeds up your workflow, but also ensures consistency in your records. And that's it. You've just learned how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online like a pro. With this feature, you can automate repetitive tasks and focus on what really matters, growing your business. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and let me know in the comments which rule you're going to set up first.